Hello YouTube. This is hopefully going to be a quick one, single take on the Toro Ultra Blower Plus Vac metal impeller. This is the older style with the rotary on-off switch with the speed variable. I've read up that these have some failures. This one happened to fail on, it was stuck on, and I had to unplug the cord to turn it off. Now, you're probably asking, why would we even mess with this? It's a corded blower. Just go and buy a battery blower. Well, that's all fine and good on your apartment, your workshop, you know, where you're not actually needing this. But around here, we have these things called trees, and these things on the trees are called leaves. And in the fall, leaves fall off the trees, and a good corded blower is invaluable. You could be blowing leaves for 2 hours, 6 to 8 times a day, and a battery blower is just not going to be able to keep up with that. So now you're probably saying, just go buy a new corded blower. They're so cheap. Why would you mess with this old one? Well, here's the new one. It's a Black & Decker, reputable brand. It is both louder and it blows. And that's not a compliment. It's less air than this Toro. So, the very simple solution, standard light switch. You probably have these lying around. This one was removed from a house. You cut off the ends just above the hole where the faceplates would go on. Slight modification on the inside, very slight, to make the switch fit. 2 holes drilled. Screws where the faceplate would go are now holding the switch in place. Very secure. And then the wiring is totally simple. 1 wire to one end of the switch, and 1 wire to the other end of the switch. This is going to save me literally thousands of dollars and hours. Okay, no longer one take. I'll fix it in post. Very important, I did want to mention that this says 12 amps, 120 volts, and the switch, we probably can't make it out, but the switch says 15 amps, 120 volts. So I do recommend using a light switch or a different switch that is rated for at the least 12 amps. I initially was going to look at a more stylish switch, but it was only rated at 6 amps. So in good conscience, I did not use that. I used a light switch, which is rated for 15 amps. So that is my fire safety tip of the day. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.